And then here is a wee bit of a distant shot. So, and then you've got the nice new floor. Thank goodness. Hallelujah. So, here I've got my hutch set up, and I've got my little lights that I can position. I've only got one plugged in now because I need an extension cord, but still. They're both in position. And here's my work area and my cutting mat and glue gun and stuff. I haven't put the doors back on the bottom yet, but that's coming. And then here in the corner, I've got my things hung back up on the wall. And then, of course, there's another one of my lights. And a whole selection here of shoe boxes with different things in them. And, of course, my big chair for when I'm sitting and filming. Here's my sewing area. This is my needle felting machine. I've got one of my sewing machines right over here on the side. And, there's my plants. You can see outside it's nice and green, and I have my curtain up as well. So I'm going to put a valance up on the outside because this curtain here is for covering the window, the big window, and with the narrow window it's got blinds still, but I put a valance up. It should help everything fit together and give a unified impression. And then here, of course, is my stand and one of my works I'm photographing. As you see, the walls are nice and white now. I do have a curtain up here, although it's gray, so it's not as dark as the one I had before, and then a few things hung up. Now we get down here, it's a bit more to the messy side, but I have this gigantic box here for all the shock moon furniture, props, accessories, etc. And here in the corner are some things I'm still sorting out. It's a good time to sort stuff, though, since I put it back together slowly and not have a big mess. So you're thinking, oh, but don't you have a big mess now, Erin? And the answer is no. This is actually a little tiny mess. You should have seen it before.